over here at J&J Repair, or JJ Repair, excuse me, over here in Houston. Uh, Getting the truck repaired, as y'all can see. Something minor. I thought it was a little major than that, but it's not. I thank God for that. I was hearing a loud noise from the turbo, and I thought immediately that it was like I had an exhaust leak off the manifold, or that it was my turbo. Um, Great way to see if your turbo is bad is just looking at the bottom of the turbo and seeing if there's oil leaking there. It wasn't, so that was good. And then another way, of course, I mean, if you got a lot of extra noise from the exhaust side, it could be actuator, it could be the actual turbo bad on the exhaust side, but the hose itself that come off the EGR cooler going towards the manifold, that's what had got a hole in it. It's a rubber hose. It's nothing like special or anything. It's just a rubber hose with 2 clamps on it, and it got a hole in it in the middle of it. And from, I don't know how, but it did, and that's what was causing that big old retarded sound I was hearing as I was cruising. Didn't lose any power, didn't nothing like that, didn't overheat, nothing like that, but I knew it didn't sound right, and so immediately I was thinking exhaust leak or something like that. But let me show y'all what that part looked like. So my man getting it done over there. I don't want to disturb him while he doing his thing, but I'll show y'all the finished product when he get done. But yeah, just a little hole in that little rubber piece, little rubber hose, man. But I'll show y'all what it looked like afterwards. I don't know about y'all, but today is beautiful, man. Look at that. Just down here in the H-Town, aka Houston. Beautiful weather. It ain't too hot, believe it or not. What's up, y'all? We here. We made it to the spot before they closed. It was close, you know what I'm saying? Had a little bit of adventure today, but as promised, let me show you what was replaced on the truck. So, that hose right, oh shoot, sorry y'all. That hose right there, the little rubber hose, then those 2 clamps. Had to get that replaced. I kept hearing some loud noise coming from what I thought was the turbo. It was extremely loud, louder than it ever has been. So I was like, dang, do I have an exhaust leak somewhere? So I'm looking around, and like, all this to do with the turbo, the exhaust pipe going all the way that way. That's all your exhaust besides that manifold back there. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, manifold right here. So I thought it was coming off that. Usually that's where you get your exhaust leak from, is that manifold right there. And it goes all the way around to about right there. But anyway, it wasn't that. It was this hose right here the whole time. Had a little hole in it right underneath it. And I can just tell where it was coming from because it was shooting black smoke right here on my heater hose. So we got that changed out. It sounds the way it's supposed to sound. And that's what we talk about. But I am so glad that I made it here before they closed, because I thought that it might be a possibility that I would have to come back tomorrow and unload this truck. But it's supposed to be here for today. We got it here. It came out of Oklahoma. I was in Dallas, Texas at the house. You know what I'm saying? Just came out the shop. Oh yeah, let me show y'all this. Just came out the shop for these right here. This is a bushing inside here, as well as these U-joints right here, the other one right here, and those back here. You know what I'm saying? The U-joints, or not U-joints, the bushings and U-bolts. So that's to help with the tire, to help ride on top, right in the middle, flat across the surface of the tire, as well as alignment and all that. We did get an alignment on the truck. We didn't have to do a 3-axle alignment, which would be that one and those two back there, but those two back there was good. But this one right here, they had to do a realignment on it because they did those bushings as well as the new U-bolts. So no big thing there, you know what I'm saying? Got it back yesterday, and so we got on the road, but had to get that done. That was definitely something we didn't think we would have to do, but no big deal. That cost me $90. The hose and the 2 clamps was $157 at Peterbilt. They a little pricey, you know how they do, but mainly you pay for the name, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, that is what it is. Shoot, but I ain't want nothing. Just wanted to share with y'all in case y'all, hear some loudness coming from your truck or something like that. That may be from your turbo area, and may just be that little hose right there. I imagine it ain't never been changed because it's the same color as the engine, red. So, if it was changed, it'd be a different color. But either way, that's what's up. That's it, y'all. Look, thank y'all for watching these videos. I'm hoping I'm helping some of y'all out who just starting out, with your own truck or lease truck, and you are thinking about getting a truck and you run into some issues, or wanting to know how some of us deal with some of the issues that come along that we may run into. Sometimes it can be real quick, easy. Sometimes it may, you might have to shell out a little bit of money. It's just how it is. You make money, and then in order to make money, you have to spend money. You know what I'm saying? In order to make money, you gotta spend money. So it is what it is. That's just how businesses are ran. Every business is ran like that. So it is what it is. If you work somewhere, guess what? They have to pay you, so they're spending money. So that's just how it goes. So, you just gotta take it how it come. Other than that, y'all, so I'm gonna tell y'all, God bless you, love you. You know what I'm saying? Pray you having a blessed day. Pray you having a blessed day. And that's it, man. Till next time. Look, I ain't supposed to be showing y'all none of this stuff. But so what, though? They don't see me. But that's what came off our truck right there. They still getting some more. All right, y'all, I'm out. For real.